straight. Thẳng lưng and hai tay lên, both hands up. Đàn tay finger lock. Inhale, exhale. Shoulder back, knee in. 5, 4, go back. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Put your both hands side. Lift your hip up more. Hands. You can put it more front first. Long leg. Maximum upside. And look back. While swing. Come in. 5. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Look front first and come back. Inhale, exhale. Both knees swung down. Yes, now look front. Again, some more position for open your back first. Just hold your foot, right hand, left hand. Right shoulder down, long leg, long leg. Push your hip front. Inhale and thigh leg. Exhale. Back. 5, 4, 1 leg more front, yes. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, sit down first. Exhale, hop opening, swing, look down. Now same opposite side first. Hold your foot. Right foot, left shoulder down. Inhale, exhale. Tai chi left hand up. Both shoulder same line. First you need to practice for open your back. 5. Step by step. 4, long length, more upside. Shoulder same line, eye wide thumb. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale, sit down. Hop up again, look down. Now this time with the two hands, both hands stand on your knee up. High thigh, now leg high position. Try to hold your both feet one by one. What happened? What happened? What are you saying? Huh? Afraid me? If you're afraid, so why you come? Hold your both feet. Push your hip front. 6. When you come in advanced class, so you no need to be afraid. 5. If you're afraid with the master, so how you can do alone? 4, 3, 2 and